This is a 48-inch Golden Fan Company brass ceiling fan from the 80s, and I got this from down in Altamont Springs the other day. Mark Welker gave it to me. I gave him a little cash for it. She's tarnished a little bit up there, and the bearings were almost stopped completely up. I had to run it for a long time with no blades to get it to go. She looks good from a distance, but get up close you can see that it's pretty well scratched and tarnished. It needs a good polish and stuff I don't know how to do. The only thing I try to polish is my pretty behind face. Let me fire this thing up before the crap gets too deep in this room, and see what she looks like. It's on low here. At first it wouldn't even go on low. I didn't realize it, but it looks like they stagger these blades on these things. And, I'm gonna help it out here. I don't want this video to get too long. I'll put it on up to a little bit of a higher speed and back it back down. There we go. That's about where it runs on low, right there. And I'm sure if the bearings were better, it'd go a little faster. I'm gonna skip 2 and go to 3. This runs on a choke coil speed control. The other one just won't work. Turn this other one off here. No, I don't usually have 2 fans in this room, but with all these set lights in here, I keep something going while I'm testing stuff out. Let's see here. It gets a little breeze off of it like that. That's probably where I would use it in the winter time for the heat. This house has high ceilings and no insulation underneath it. You use the fans more in the winter than you do the summer. Hear them bearings? She's been used a lot. Run hard and put up wet, I guess. You get a little breeze off of her. Here we go. Wide open. You get a lot of air out of this fan. The blades are wide and they're steep. Steep pitch on these things. Man, them bearings are wore out. I'm gonna list this on eBay. I don't think I'll get much out of it, but I'm gonna list it. She looks good if you like brass, you know. I'm just not a brass man. Brass is kind of 80s or 90s. Kind of yesterday. I'm gonna shut this thing off and see what she does when she spins down. My notion tells me she's gonna stop kind of quick. That I don't know. That one I did in my last video, that one will spin all dang night. I got a couple of more I'll test later. Yeah, she seems to be slowing down quick. I think she's gonna come to a screeching halt right about now. Whoever gets this is gonna have to put new bearings in it. See if she backs up a little bit. Yeah, she stopped real quick. Alright, y'all. That's it. The Golden Fan Company, 42 inch. See yous.